Boom, 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 boom. Welcome, welcome, welcome once again here in the Bronx. I'm your guy Damion, the outside cooking in the Bronx. You know what I'm saying? This week we're making a nice piece of roast beef. You know what I'm saying? We're doing roast beef outside today. You know what I mean? Roast beef, rice and peas. And we're gonna do the fried chicken again. You know what I mean? Hopefully the fried chicken come out better this time than last time. You know what I'm saying? Last time was good, but let's see if we can improve a little bit. But today, we're doing some roast beef, you know what I'm saying? Outside in the Bronx. It's blazing hot out here, you know what I'm saying? Steaming, you know what I mean? So hopefully, we get through, you know what I'm saying? Without burning up. Boom! Big up to everybody this morning. Hope everybody feeling good on the Sunday, you know what I'm saying? We're just chilling, you know what I mean? Enjoying the vibes, you know what I mean? Can't cook inside right now. It's blazing hot, you know what I'm saying? So we can't burn up the house and it's blazing outside, you know what I mean? Enough respect to everybody today. I hope everybody feel well, you know what I mean, on the Sunday. Once again, I'm your guy Damion from the Bronx, NYC, in the building. Bang! Let's get going. This is the roast beef I'm dealing with. Let's deal with the rice real quick so I can get the stove for the fried chicken ready, you know what I mean? Boom. There we go. Here we get to the rice and peas, you know what I'm saying? Today we're dealing with gungo peas. You know what I'm saying? Doing gungo peas today. Boom. Let's get it going. Gungo peas, huh? So I gotta add a little salt. Boom. It's a good amount. It's a good amount of salt. A little black pepper. Boom. Drop a little pimento seed, you know what I'm saying? A little pimento never go wrong. A little ching wang wing, you know what I mean? And a little adobo, you know what I mean? It's pretty hot inside right now, you know what I'm saying? Hot in the Bronx right now, so you gotta do it outside. And a little seasoned salt. Got a little scallion, boom. Always crush it up, and get the juice out, you know what I mean? Drop a little onion. Say ref the onion for my roast beef. Can't go wrong with a little pepper, you know what I'm saying? You know, making peas and rice real quick. Peas and rice, you know what I mean? We call it gungo peas, you know what I mean? Jamaican style, you know what I mean? Bang. You gotta have a little time, you know what I'm saying? Can't go wrong without a little time. So, ooh, fogged up real quick. That's how we do it outside in the Bronx. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let that simmer a little bit. Let that simmer real quick while I get to the roast beef. I'm seasoning the roast beef. Try to get that going real quick. I said, I got nice cut from the meat shop. You know what I'm saying? Roast beef. Boom, my river, Red Raven. Thanks for the follow. Big up yourself. Enough respect. You know what I'm saying? Enough respect. You know what I mean? So we got a nice piece. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna season it already. I washed this already. You know what I mean? With some lemon juice already. You know what I'm saying? So I'm ready to season it up and get it going. You know what I mean? Bang. So let's go. First, I'm gonna poke a little hole in it first. You know? Y'all can see. Whoa. Poke a little hole up in it, you know what I mean? Little holes, so I get the season nice inside, you know what I mean? I got the onions and everything nice inside, you know what I mean? Boom, beautiful piece of stuff, cut roast beef, you know what I'm saying? Bam. So now add a little seasoning. Boom, now a little bit of seasoning, you know what I'm saying? A little, a little grace, you know what I'm saying? Spice it up a little bit. A little ching wang wing, you know what I'm saying? Can't go wrong with a little ching wang wing, you know what I mean? Little seasoned salt, you know what I mean? Boom. Thank you, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for the awesome gift, man. Appreciate you. Tia, appreciate you for the awesome gift. Thank you very much, man. Appreciate it. Thank you, everybody be sending gifts. If I missed y'all, you know what I mean, come back through. D, thank you for follow, D. A little onion powder, you know what I'm saying? D, thank you for follow, D. Thank you very much. It looks good. What time is dinner? Not sure yet, D. You know what I'm saying? We just started, you know what I mean? So hopefully soon. Roast beef take a little while to cook, you know what I mean? So, I'm gonna be high for a little bit. You welcome for dinner, D. D, you're welcome for dinner anytime, man. So a little powder, garlic powder. Not too much. A little browning, Jamaican browning, get a little color. You are brave cooking this heat. I know, right? It's better for me to cook outside than inside, you know what I mean? So I can't have inside hot and outside blazing, you know what I mean? So, I'd rather do the spiciness outside, you know what I mean? Thank you, D. Just put a little bit, I don't want to put too much, Just a little bit, because it's pretty strong, you know what I mean? Thank you, D. Thank you. You know what I mean? So I'm done cooking. I could go inside. It's nice and cool inside, you know what I mean? Then that heat, you know what I'm saying? Because, we're in the concrete jungle, you know what I mean? So the heat stays and it stays, never leave, you know what I mean? Cut some onions, you know what I mean? Remember, I put some hole in it already. Cut some onions. last week I did the hey T, big up T. How you doing, love? Got me outside, do my thing real quick, you know what I mean? How you Sunday going, T? You know what I'm saying? It's kind of hot. It's kind of hot out here, T, right now. It's kind of spicy, you know what I mean? So I'm out here chefing it up real quick, you know what I mean? I see you. I'm cooking roast beef today. You know what I'm saying? Some roast beef today with some peas and rice, some gunga peas. You know what I'm saying? Try a little fried chicken again. You know what I mean? Last week I did a fried chicken, so I'm trying to improve on it. You know what I mean? I think the more I cook it, the better. You know, better I hope it get. You know what I'm saying? So I got a little scallion. Yeah, it's really hot. It's really hot. Really hot, you know? Blazing hot in New York City right now. Blazing hot. Yeah, got a little time. New Jersey too. Oh, you in New Jersey, D? Big up to New Jersey. Yeah. Big up to New Jersey. We got love for Jersey. Yeah, man, it's blazing out here. Real spicy out here today. Some peppers, you know. So I hope I try to get, get it done as fast as possible, you know what I mean? So I could sit down and enjoy the rest of the day, you know? You know, back to work again Monday. Back at it, you know what I'm saying? Big up everybody on the Sunday. Everybody went to church today, you know what I mean? God bless, you know what I'm saying? Thank you very much, T. 5,000, thank you very much. I appreciate you, love. Appreciate the love, man. It goes a long way. Buddha. Buddha for life. Old school chopping. You know what I'm saying, Father? Your fingers are cutting. You know, that's how we do it. You know what I mean? That's how we do it in the Bronx. You know what I mean? God bless. I appreciate you, 5,000. I appreciate it. Thank you for the love, man. I appreciate you. You know what I mean? It goes a long way. You know what I mean? If I miss your comment, just circle back, you know what I mean? You know, I got to add a little pepper, you know what I'm saying? Spice it up a little bit. What you cooking? What you say, DJ? Cooking roast beef today, roast beef. I'm gonna try a little fried chicken today too, you know what I mean? I cooked stewed chicken last week, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try a little fried chicken today too, you know what I mean? I cooked stewed chicken last week, you know what I mean? Sorry about that, y'all. I'm cooking roast beef. I'm from the Bronx, Southern Boulevard. Big up Southern Boulevard. I'll be over there soon. You know what I'm saying? Enough love to Southern Boulevard. Big up DJ on the Sunday, you know what I'm saying? Hope your day is well, my guy. Enough love. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's blazing hot, man. Blazing hot. You can see me sweating real quick. You know what I'm saying? So imagine if I cook this inside. You know what I mean? It'd be crazy. Can't go wrong without my carrots. You know, I need my carrots. Boom. Give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. Fuck, kayo. Brown for glow. Well, yeah, you know, whoo, spicy, spicy. I'm changing my gloves real quick. Boom. See the roast beef, bang. So you want to take some and put inside the holes that I poked in there. Oh. See? Bang, 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 bang. That's good. See? Now I'm gonna enter my roast beef. So I got the butter going, you know what I'm saying? Boom, y'all can see. Boom. So that's how we do roast beef on the top of the stove, you know what I mean? So it's gonna take a little minute. So I'm gonna try to get the rice done. Let's go Knicks. You know, I'm a Knicks guy too, man. I'm a Knicks guy too, man. But you know, you know what I'm saying? Hey, big up Charlie White. Where? It's too hot. It's too hot, Charlie. I can't wear the hat today, man. You know what I'm saying? He's selling to the public. Nah, don't sell it to the public. Nah, I can't wait to hot today, man. It's too spicy, man. Too spicy. You know what I'm saying? Monday, I have the hat on. How is your family doing? Keep on being great, my dude. Thank you, my guy. Thank you, Drew. Family's all right. Everybody just came from church, you know what I'm saying? Family's good, man. Enough respect to you, Drew. You know what I mean? I appreciate that. You know what I mean? No hot today, man. It's spicy out here today. You know what I mean? Word. So, you're not selling? Okay. Nah, not selling, not selling. I can't wait to come home. You make me miss the Bronx, man, and Mount Vernon. Big up yourself, Drew. You know what I'm saying? Big up yourself. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? New York City forever, man. You done know already. You know what I'm saying? Well, you know what I'm saying? You know, you got Durant. You know what I'm saying? You got Kyrie. You know what I'm saying? And you got my artist right there in the middle. You know what I mean? R&B Dayside. That's my artist right there in the middle. You know what I'm saying? So when everybody came to New York, Brooklyn. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to get Brooklyn something. You know what I'm saying? big up the beard. You know what I'm saying? You don't know. You know what I mean? You got the old crew on the wall. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? We was hoping to get New York. You know what I'm saying? Get New York a championship, but hopefully the Knicks could take care of business for us first. You know what I mean? But you know what I mean? How to show love though. You know what I mean? Boom. We get that going. I don't want that to fry. We're not trying to get it to fry, you know what I mean? We don't want it to fry, you know what I'm saying? We're doing roast beef, you know what I'm saying? So let me go get the rice real quick, you know what I mean? I'll be right back. Bronx and raised in New York City. Come to Vegas and try it. I've been to Vegas one time, you know what I'm saying? I'll be back there soon. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna go get the rice real quick. You still not find it? Oh, and I look for you. Oh, wait. I'm sorry, yeah.
Pull up with your friend or whatever, bro.
Now I'm gonna get the rice going. So I'm sorry for the delay. Get the rice going. So when the rice is done, I'm gonna get to the fried chicken. You know what I mean, but I'll be to Vegas soon, man. I went there about 2 years ago. Really like it very much. You know what I'm saying? The sun is hot though. It's a lot of walking. A lot of walking. That's one place I won't walk again, boy. I tell you. Woo. So, you know, we get. Yeah. Boom, get the rice going. You know what I mean? And get going. Come right back. Boom. So now I'm gonna get the fried chicken going. You know what I'm saying? Deal with that real quick. Boom. Woo. Real spicy out here, people. I'm telling you, real spicy in the Bronx, man. Got me sweating crazy. Boom, we're here again. So I love Vegas. It reminds me of New York City, except the slower than New York. Yeah, very slow, very slow. Perfect rice require 1 inch of what? You know what I mean? Boom, fried chicken. You know what I'm saying, I ain't doing too much though. You know what I'm saying, try to keep it light. You know what I mean? I don't want to be out here all day. You know what I mean? Boom. So as soon as the rice is done, I'm gonna start doing the fried chicken, you know what I mean? The rice won't take long, you know what I mean? Boom. So that fried chicken. I ain't doing too much seasoning on the fried chicken, keep it nice and simple. Little garlic powder, bang. Little onion powder, you know what I mean? A little ching wang wing, you know what I'm saying? Can't go wrong without a ching wang wing. A little grace all purpose, you know? And a little black pepper, you know what I'm saying? Black pepper expensive in the Bronx, you know what I'm saying? So I can't go too crazy with my black pepper. Bang. Bang. So I said, I'm not cooking too much fried chicken, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I got the roast beef already, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to perfect my fried chicken. You know what I mean? So I don't really cook fried chicken much. You know what I'm saying? So you know, try to get it popping. So I do have barbecues. I cook some fried chicken with barbecues too. You know what I mean? When you want cooking experience, look for CW Eats. All right, I'm gonna check out CW Eats. Over 20 years preparing food for the Air Force. All right, bang bang bang. CW Eats. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna look it up. Thank you, Charles. Appreciate that. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So. Yeah, you know, so I'll try and get a little better with the fried chicken. You know what I'm saying? I don't really cook it much, you know what I mean? Hopefully this week come out better than last week. You know what I'm saying? Last week wasn't bad though, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But it was, you know, it was good though, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't bad though, you know what I mean? Not a problem, brother. Appreciate you, Charles.
Chicken I get.
Eh? Roast beef.
What?
Roast beef, fried chicken,
Yeah, what?
and peas and rice. No?
Alright, try my order on me.
What? Taxi?
What?
Take taxi.
Take that alright, that's all.
Yeah? Right way.
Right round that.
Where you come feed then? You come feed. You know? CW Eats Vending Company, Vegas, Las Vegas. All right, I'm gonna check that out. Check that out, Charles. Thank you, man. When I get done today, I'm gonna check it out when I get inside. All right. I'll be right back. Give me one. Yo, Vincent, big up yourself, mute. Enough respect, enough respect. I'm all right, bro. I'm all right. Looking forward to see you your next trip in Vegas. Thank you, Charles. I'll be there, man. Once I get more situated, I'll be there. Give me 1 second. Well, let's check on the roast beef. Alright. Roast beef's coming along well, you know what I'm saying? But I said, can you prepare Jamaican flag colors, rice and peas to go with fried chicken? Well, today we're doing the Jamaican gungo peas, you know what I'm saying? Not the rice and peas. This I haven't made rice and peas yet back here yet. Maybe next week I make the rice and peas, you know? But today we're doing the gungo peas, the Jamaican gungo peas, you know what I'm saying? Boom. So we use two kind of peas, you know what I'm saying? Rice and peas, gungo peas, and you know, what other peas? Forgetting it. But these are the main two peas we cook with our rice, you know what I'm saying? And this is the gungo peas one. You know what I'm saying? So I got the roast beef going. You know, if you can see it, got it going. You know, got the roast beef going. So I don't want it to fry. You know what I'm saying? We're roasting it on top of the stove. You know what I mean? So this is how you roast beef on top of the stove instead of the oven. And the fastest way, you know. So you know, if I was doing this side of the house, it'd be blazing, all that steam, all that heat. You know what I'm saying? Well, and you see, I got the rice going. So this is called gungo peas. You know what I'm saying? Not rice and peas, but gungo peas. You know what I mean? So this is the other peas that we use to cook our rice. So it won't take long. The rice won't take long to cook. So I'm gonna get ready to do the fried chicken. So we got a little flour. Boom. At least try and get a couple of them ready before, you know what I mean? The rice finished. This time I'm cooking at a little lower temperature. Than last time. We're gonna see. You know what I'm saying? So everybody's Sunday going well. You know what I mean? Y'all enjoying your weekend. You know what I'm saying? Hope everything was blessed for y'all this weekend, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody who had to work today, you know what I mean? I know it's not easy working on Sunday. You know what I'm saying? But don't feel sad, I'm back at it again Monday. You know what I'm saying? Back again Monday with the early morning vibes, you know what I mean? So it's really hot back here, boy, I tell you, it's really hot. So I'm having my chicken ready by the time, you know? But the roast beef's gonna take a while. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody, you know, making the Sunday dinner today. I don't really cook much during the week. Okay, you know, work takes most of my time. But Sunday is where I usually cook on Sundays, every Sunday, you know? That's the one day I really, you know, cook. Rest of the week is like, you know, fast food, you know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to cut that out a little bit. You know, I try to change the diet a little bit during the week, you know what I mean? It's not easy though, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Then I can eat some more fish, some more swim around, you know what I'm saying? Cook a lot more fish, you know what I'm saying? See how it goes, see how it goes. So I can steam it in the air fryer, you know? Cause you know the oven. Yeah, so as soon as the rice is done, you know, the rice got to dry out a little bit. As soon as it's finished drying out, I'm gonna get the fried chicken going. And if y'all want me to continue cooking on Sunday, doing this live on Sunday, just let me know. There ain't no football season coming up soon. Football season coming up real soon, so I gotta be finished cooking before 1 o'clock. Let you know. Before 1 o'clock, I gotta get up early and cook, and you know, and be done. Then the rest of the day, just watching football. Check the roast beef again, you know. I want it to dry out. Boom. Try not to let it burn, you know. See, the rice is coming along. Just gotta let it dry out a little bit. It's almost finished, you know. So the rice don't take long. It doesn't take long to get the rice going. Let's give it a few more minutes, you know. Give it a few more minutes. All right, then I get the fried chicken going. That's gonna be the challenge, you know what I mean? Yeah, fried chicken gonna be the challenge, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Big up the Jets, you know what I'm saying? Hope you have a good season this year. You know what I'm saying? Big up the Ravens. You don't know Lamar. Hope you have a good season this year, you know what I'm saying? Big up Shador, Cleveland. Big up yourself, my guy. You know what I'm saying? Hope everything work out well for you this year. You know what I'm saying? You know, those are the main 3 teams, you know what I'm saying? The Jets #1, the Ravens is #2, you know what I'm saying? Big up the Ravens, you know what I'm saying? Big up all the Ravens fans, Baltimore fans up in the spot. New York City all day, you know what I mean? So what y'all doing today? What everybody got planned today? How y'all day going today? Anybody cooking Sunday dinner today? What y'all cooking? You know? So I'm trying to get done early today, and I hope everything done by 4 o'clock. Be great. Big up, you know what I'm saying? I hope it be done by 4 o'clock today, be great, you know what I'm saying? I'll go inside, I'll watch some, you know, take another shower and watch some TV real quick, you know what I mean? Maybe watch a movie, you know? You know what I mean? Gotta get back at it again. Another work week, you know what I mean? So the rice is almost ready, you know what I mean? So as soon as the rice is done, I'm start doing the fried chicken, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully this time. Last time I dropped it. Hopefully this time everything come out well, you know what I mean? Like I said, I don't make fried chicken much, but you know, I'm trying to get better at it, you know what I mean? Practice make perfect, huh? Yes? Practice make perfect? I ain't trying to get perfect, trying to get good, you know? Yeah, so got all my fried chicken floured, you know what I'm saying? Ready to deal with it real quick, you know what I mean? Bang! Okay. Let's check on the rice. Check on the rice. Don't try it at home, folks, you know what I'm saying? get a rag or something, you know what I mean? Don't burn yourself. Well, you see, the rice coming out well. Coming out well. What do you think? I can take it off now? You think your rice is ready? Think I take it off now? Let me know. Let me know. Should I take it off now? All right, we'll give it 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, and then I'll get the fried chicken going. That's the real challenge, huh? The roast beef. So boom. Change your glove. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am. Boom. So I'm gonna take off the rice. Then I'll put some new gloves on. Take off the rice. And get the fried chicken going. Thank you, Chaz. Thank you, Chaz. So icy. Thank you very much. You know what I mean? Thank you for the reminder. You know what I mean? Hello, Miss Becky. You know what I'm saying? From Orlando. Big up yourself, Miss Becky. You know what I mean? Enough love to you, Queen. You know what I'm saying? Big up yourself, Becky. Big up Orlando. You know what I'm saying? I drove to Orlando once. You know what I'm saying? Never really stopped though. I drove through there. Big up Orlando. Big up Orlando. Let me take off this rice before I change the gloves. Alright, try to get the fried chicken going, you know what I'm saying? Let's see how that goes today. This is the challenge, people. This is the challenge. You know what I mean? And fried chicken, you know what I'm saying? Ain't a fried chicken expert, but practice make perfect, right? Try to get the oil hot, nice and hot. Boom. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna deal with the fried chicken. When I get the oil at a nice right temperature, you know what I'm saying? And then while I got the roast beef cooking, I'm gonna give it a check. Yeah. So I did curry chicken, curry shrimp, stewed chicken, fried chicken. That's what I did so far out here cooking on a Sunday. You know what I'm saying? So today is roast beef and fried chicken. Boom. Once I get the oil at the right temperature, we're gonna give it a shot. Oil a little spicy right now. Once I get the right temperature, I'll try out my first chicken. Look like it's at a good temperature, huh? What y'all think? Is it a good temperature? Big up Dora. Enough respect, Dora. You know what I mean? Thank you for the love, Queen. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, big up yourself. You know what I'm saying? Enough respect, enough respect. Yeah, good temperature. We get a little hot, a little more. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want it too hot, so it burn it. You know what I'm saying? Before it, you know, burn the flour before the chicken is cooked. You know what I mean? But look, I got it the right degrees. You know what I mean? A right setting. You know what I'm saying? Look, I got a right setting going. Let's see how it go. You know what I mean? Wait about 2 more minutes. You know what I mean? Before I put the fried chicken in there. Ooh, hot. All right. Let's try the fried chicken now. I'll see how it goes, huh? Okay. So hopefully I got the right temperature. I'm still watching. Do you have any cast iron skillet? It fried better. No, I don't have an cast iron skillet. No, maybe I should get one. You know, a little more solid. But you know, we're gonna give it a shot. See how it goes. You know what I mean? So keep an eye on it for me real quick. You know what I'm saying? Let me make some transaction real quick and be right back. Boom. I'll be right back. How we doing? How we doing? Charles, ever prepare oven cooked rice? No, Charles. If I am preparing items in the oven, that's when I do oven. Okay. Oven. Okay. I saw my mom do oven cooked rice, but I never did oven cooked rice before. You know what I'm saying? I'll give it a shot though. I'll give it a try. So how you think it's frying? Frying all right? Let's check the We lost the fire. I lost the fire.
Oh, you. That is you.
Huh? You good on the chicken? Yeah, Chaz, you know what I'm saying? It's going all right. You know what I'm saying? It's not rushing. The temperature is, you know. Take a look, let me know. You know? So I got the right temperature. You know, it's not cooking too fast, not cooking too slow, you know. So, you know, I don't want the flour to burn before the chicken. You know what I mean? Chicken cooked, you know what I'm saying? So, thank you, Charles. Thank you, man. You know what I'm saying? Try and get better, you know what I'm saying? You know? Like I said, the more you practice, you know what I mean, the more you improve, you know what I mean? So, last week was the first time, you know what I mean? It was a little spicy, you know, so try and get it right this time. You know what I mean? So hopefully come out better than last week, you know what I mean? Word.
What are you cooking? What are you cooking?
Cooking fried chicken and roast beef. Okay? That was my nephew, y'all. Action Luke. Remember, 1 inch off the water over the rice. What's your Vegas? You know what I'm saying? Oh, he said 1 inch over the rice. Yeah, 1 inch. You know what I mean? Of water over the rice. Yeah. I used to use my finger. You know what I mean? I used to cook rice to measure the water. But now I just look at it. But the rice is done. I got the rice done. You know, so it's just the fried chicken and roast beef. Gotta get that going. You know what I mean? So if y'all go in my profile, y'all see my profile, and you see the music on there. You may also do produce music. You know what I'm saying? That's the artist right there. You know what I mean? That's my artist right there, Army Dayside. You know what I mean? So you can go on my profile and check out his music. You know what I'm saying? We got Apple Music, Spotify, you know, iTunes. You know what I'm saying? Anywhere you go at, we go find us there and listen to the music. You know what I mean? So I do a little bit of everything. You know what I mean? Boom. Enough love to everybody today on the Sunday, man. At least the sun went down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So it's not so spicy as it was like an hour ago. You know what I mean? Hopefully I can finish by 4 o'clock would be great. You know what I mean? Yeah, hopefully by 4 o'clock. I know the roast beef I take like 4:30, but hopefully by 4 o'clock I can get it done. And I still have some of the day for myself to sit down and unwind. You know what I mean? So hope everybody feeling good today. Y'all feeling good today in the chat. Big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. You know what I'm saying? When the pan frying chicken, you can turn it as many times as you need it. All right. I'm gonna give it a turn right now. You know. Wait, so give it a turn right now? What do you think? All right, I'm gonna give it a turn right now. All right. So after I give my first turn, I'm gonna try to turn it every 3 minutes after this. All right. Got it. Cooking is art. Yes, sir. Eating is sport. The best to all my New York City teams. Let's do it. And ladies, bang, 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 bang. Big up Charles, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Big up the Jets. You don't know, you don't know, you know what I mean? Boom, boom, boom. Golden right. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Try to improve, Chaz. You know what I'm saying? Try and improve, man. Try and improve, man. You know what I'm saying? Good thing I turned it, though. You know, I wasn't trying to burn the flour. So I'm going to try to turn it every 3 minutes, you know? Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Try to improve, Chaz. You know what I mean? So I'm going to try, you know, keep on doing fried chicken until, you know, I feel like I got a good hang of it. You know what I'm saying? Good hang of it. You know what I mean? So when I do the barbecue, you know, I could do some fried chicken too at the barbecue. You know what I mean? Boom. You know what I mean? So I haven't do a barbecue in the past 2 weeks now, so I took a little break. You know what I'm saying? What they call it? As soon as it got hot, I was doing barbecue. You know what I mean? So I took a little break. You know. Let's check the roast beef and see how it's going. Good thing I check it, huh? Good thing I checked the roast beef, man, for it burn. We call my son Chaz. I'm CWW3. He's CWW4. Big up to CW3, you know what I'm saying? Big up Chaz, you know what I'm saying? Enough love, G. I'm gonna keep on turning it so it doesn't burn my flour every 3 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Try not to burn it, you know what I'm saying? Boom. You know what I'm saying? So at least I got the oil at the right temperature. The oil not burning too fast or nothing, you know what I'm saying? Not getting dark. You know? Let's see, you know? It's very hot right now, I'm telling you, very hot. All right, my brother. It was a pleasure. Enjoy your meal with your family and friends. Thank you, Charles. You know what I mean? I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you stopping by, man. Enough love and respect for you, man. Have a wonderful day today, you know what I mean? I hope you have a blessed week, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Check me out, Charles. I'll be here 5:20 in the morning, every morning at the early morning vibes, you know what I'm saying? On the way to work, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, Charles. Enough respect, enough respect. Bang. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Try and improve my fried chicken, you know what I'm saying? And fried chicken is like an art, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what? Outside cook faster than inside. Some of my food is on my profile. All right, Chad. I'm gonna follow you so I can see. You know what I mean? I'm gonna follow you back, my guy. I'm gonna check it out. You know what I mean? You know, maybe next. Cool. All right, Charles. Big up yourself, Charles. Enough respect, Charles. I said, T, what time is dinner going to be ready? Hopefully by 4:30, T. Hopefully, so I can, you know what I mean, get the rest of the day to myself. You know what I mean? Hopefully by 4:30. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Hopefully I can finish fried chicken by 4 o'clock. Would be great. You know what I mean, T? Yeah, you know what I mean? So I gotta enjoy the rest of the day, you know what I mean? And watch some TV real quick, you know? But we'll see. Check my roast beef. Big up yourself, T. How the family, how the kids. Hope everything is well, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Big up yourself. I know you probably gotta work later, you know what I'm saying? Everyone is doing good. I'm watching TV. It's storming right now. All right, it's storming right now. Be safe out there, T. I know the weather down south is crazy right now. I know the weather down south is crazy right now. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Joe? I'm on the way, bro. I'm climbing over the fence. 3 star. Big up, Joe. Big up, Joe. Big up, Joe. Wait. That's it. Yeah, jump the French, Joe. Right. Yeah, you crazy, man. You know what I mean? Thanks for the follow, Queen. You know what I'm saying? Enough respect. Brooke, thank you very much, Brooke. You know what I'm saying? Big up yourself. Yep. They said to you, we all coming. I hope you have I got enough for everybody. Yes, T, I got enough for everybody, man. They said, yeah, jump the fence too, T. You know what I'm saying? I said, bro, I'm gonna bring the vibes. from Act 3. I say from Act 3. Big up Act 3, you know what I'm saying? Oh man. There she gonna jump the fence. If the chicken is juicy, run clear, your chicken is ready. Alright, bam bam bam. I'm taking it right out right now, you know what I'm saying? Try not to burn it. I'm taking it out right now. You know what I mean? Take it out right now. Guess I ain't burnt this time, huh? And burn the oil either. So this is how it looks so far, you know. I said looking good. Thank you, Chad. Thank you. T, looking good. Thank you. Thank you, T. Where said Drew? The fence won't hold up for a long time. We coming. Big up, Drew. Big up. So looking good, right? So it's not burned, huh? Yep, I'm on my way to it right now. Big up. Big up 188, you know what I mean? Tivia, big up yourself, quit. Every Sunday you might. Every Sunday you might as well fix a plate for me at the table. I got you, Tivia. I got you. I said, is Ronnie Bob still open off the Bronx Road? Ronnie Bob? Yeah, I think so. Is that the name? Ronnie Bob 224? Is that 224? On Bronxwood? Thank you, Tivia. You know what I'm saying? I got you next week Sunday, man. Maybe I should continue cooking on Sundays, right? at least for the summer. At least for the summer. You know what I mean? That's it. I jumped the fence. Exactly. I'm trying to think, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to improve on the fried chicken every week, you know what I mean? Every week I'm trying to improve on it. Uh, I'm thinking about, you know, what I'm gonna do next Sunday. You know, I see. If I got suggestions, you know, let me know. You see, it's getting hotter and hotter. They said, come cook in the South Bronx. They said, they said yes, yes. Down from Tilden towards Towers, Tilden Towers. Atlanta don't have many good home West Indian food. Are you don't? I thought you did in Atlanta. Come cook in the South Bronx. Matter of fact, my kitchen is open. What I said to me, kitchen open? All right, Timmy, you know what I'm saying? I go cook in the Bronx. I go cook in the Bronx, South Bronx. Big up yourself. Man, red snapper would be great to see you make, man. Red snapper? All right, I don't really make red snapper much. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna give you a shot. Nah, that's got no. Sorry, nah, that got this shit. Come, Forsyth gas station. Forsyth gas station. Forsyth gas station style. West, I love to see some red snapper, or a fried red snapper, or a steamed red snapper. I don't really cook red snapper much. Fried. The fried side, my bad. Oh, fried side, okay. Both. All right. One of these days, one of these Sundays, I'm gonna do the red snapper and fried red snapper. You know what I mean? You know, frying snapper is like an art. It's an art of frying. You know what I mean? So, boom. I'm gonna give it a shot though. You know, I don't really fry fish like that. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna give it a shot for y'all. Let me check the thing for a burn. My roast beef keeps shrinking. Keeps shrinking. I get some more water. Eat that.
Yeah. What?
Let me get some more water. Like I said, Drew, my family is from Saint Martin. We make fish and fungi. Fungi. I think Jamaicans call fish and cook. Cook. Fungi. I think Jamaicans call fish and cook. Big up St. Mark's, you know what I'm saying? Fungi. Oh, fungi, right? Big up St. Mark's, you know what I'm saying? We call fish swim around, you know what I'm saying? We call it swim around. It's like dumplings. I'm spelling it wrong. All right. We made festival. We call it festival. You know? When we do fried fish, we do a festival. Yeah, or fried dumpling, but we call it festival. I think you're talking about the round joint. Let me get some more water real quick. I'll be right back.
fast.
Huh?
I come down fast.
Came down fast?
Yeah, I come down fast.
I'll be right back. Alright, so I'll let you know when I'm gonna do the fish, you know what I mean? The fried fish and the steamed fish, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try to prepare myself for that one. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Frying fish is like, also a skill. Is ICE gonna shut down the West Indies? Day parade on Eastern Parkway? Boy, that'd be a drama. Right? Well, that's gonna be a challenge. That's gonna be a challenge, you know what I'm saying? There's like 1 million people out there, you know what I mean? That would be a challenge, boy, I tell you. You know what I mean? Big up to Eastern Parkway. I haven't been to Eastern Parkway in a long time, you know? Yeah, the last time I've been to Eastern Parkways was, you know what I mean? Well, much younger. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, maybe I'll go this year, right? Maybe I'll go Eastern Parkway and live stream this time. We'll see. That's if I don't work. You know what I mean? Well, I think that's September, right? So maybe I'll live stream from Eastern Parkway. I'll see, you know. I haven't been there in years. Long time. So it would be nice. What y'all think? I should live stream from Labor Day weekend? Labor Day weekend. I should live stream? This time I ain't burned the oil. Whew. Now the sun came out. Maybe I won't cook roast beef again. I mean, it take a long time though. I ain't gonna hold you. Especially on the outside cooking. La Magic, big up yourself, big up yourself.
But
Thanks for the
eat.
follow. Huh?
But it, you have to eat.
No, eat right now, no. Still cooking. Yeah. Thank you for follow La Magic. Big up yourself, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Enough respect. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you, La Magic, for the heart me. Appreciate you, man. Enough respect. Enough respect. Thank you, man. Really appreciate that, man. Thank you very much. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you for the share too, man. Enough respect, enough respect. You know what I'm saying? Enough respect. You know what I mean? So we're here in the Bronx, cooking in the Bronx outside. You know what I'm saying? New York style, you know what I mean? This is how we do it when the weather is really extreme, it's really hot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. This what we're doing. It's really hot. You know what I'm saying? Can't be hot outside and hot inside too. You know what I mean? I'm cooking roast beef today and fried chicken and gungo peas rice. You know what I mean? I already finished the rice already. I'm in New Orleans. Bang, 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 bang. Big up New Orleans. I understand the heat. You know what it is. You know what I'm saying? We're here in New York. We ain't got too much trees. You know what I mean? So. Yeah, in New York City, we ain't got too much trees, you know, so you know what it is. Boom. Yeah, you know, it's a beautiful Sunday, man. Beautiful Sunday. You know what I'm saying? We enjoy being out here with y'all. You know what I'm saying? The wind start blowing. Chris, thank you, man. Thank you for the shirt, Chris. Appreciate you, man. Thank you, thank you. So trying to get the roast beef going, you know what I mean? Roast beef a little expensive right now. The price went up in New York City. You know what I'm saying? Roast beef used to be like, you know, $10, $13. Now it's at $23. You know what I mean? Almost $30 for a nice piece of roast beef. How are you cooking it? I'm cooking roast beef. I'm roasting it on the top of the stove. You know what I'm saying? And I'm steaming it right now instead of putting it in the oven. You know what I'm saying? Let it cook. Then I'm gonna add my then make my gravy and all that. And then I'm trying to make fried chicken every week, you know, until I get better, real good at it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. As we go, the more you do it, the better you get. You know what I'm saying? That's what I see it. You know what I mean? So I'm practicing my fried chicken now. So when it comes time for the barbecue, I could add fried chicken to the menu. You know what I mean? You know, so last week the oil was good, you know what I mean? Got a little dark this week, you know what I'm saying? Not too bad, you know what I mean? So I got the right temperature on it, you know what I'm saying? So it's slowly cooking, you know what I mean? Without burning the flour, you know? So the fried chicken will be done before the roast beef, you know? I thought the roast beef would be done before the fried chicken, but you know, it is what it is. Yo, you. Where I say you from Ireland? That music got me steamy. Where I say you stepping out here? You stepping out here, man? Oh man. Oh man. You know what I mean? You gotta tap in the roots a little bit. Oh man. No, I can't get the channel. I can't get the radio on the no local channel, you know what I mean? So I gotta take what I get, you know what I'm saying? I had a little gospel going and then start preaching and stuff, you know? So I gotta work with the channels they give me, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Big up to Ireland, shout out to Ireland. You know what I'm saying? I said, Drew. They say getting the stepping. I've been focused too much on my roast beef. Boom, 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 boom. Big up, big up, big up to the only one. What's up, Queen? How you doing? Much love to you, Queen. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here again cooking on a Sunday, you know what I'm saying? Outside, you know what I mean? Hot Mess Express, thank you for the follow. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? It's blazing hot. You know how it is. Blazing hot in New York right now. So, you know, I can't blaze up inside and outside at the same time. You know what I mean? So I choose one. I choose outside. You know what I mean? So how you doing, the only one? I hope your Sunday is blessed. Hope your weekend going well. You know what I mean? Enough love to you. You too, my brother. Thank you, Drew. You know what I'm saying? I'm having a bad day. What's going on? You got grinds me an old black pot. You know what I'm saying? I got the black pot going. What's going on? The only one. People stressing you out. They're stressing you out. Listen, don't let them get you down, love. You know what I'm saying? You was doing good a couple days ago. You know what I'm saying? Don't let my break your spirit. You know what I mean? Don't let nobody break your spirit, love. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Everything was going fine with you the past, past couple of days, man. Don't let them get you. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Sorry to hear that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You deserve to have a good day too, man. Good weekend too, man. You know what I mean? Don't let them stress you out. The only one. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If you could move past it, you know what I'm saying? Try your best to move past it. You know what I mean? You know, if it's a problem you could fix, you know what I'm saying? Just fix it. Don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? Just fix it. Don't worry about it. What's the charge? Don't. The near. We all have one life to live. Yeah, it's true, man. We have one life to be easy. Keep it pushing, cut them off. You know what I mean? At the bunions. Yeah, you know what I mean? Near. Okay, I'm almost near, Chaz. I'm almost near. You know what I'm saying? I'm almost near. You know what I'm saying? But roast beef is still, I gotta make the roast beef, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Carry almost near. Yeah, the only one, man. Don't let anybody get you down, man. You know what I'm saying? If you can move past it, you know what I'm saying? You can find a solution. Focus on the solution, not the problem. You know what I'm saying? Focus on the solution, not the problem. You know what I mean? That will help you get past it. You know what I'm saying? Don't let them stress you out, man. You know what I mean? Remember, your happiness comes first. You know what I mean? Your peace comes first. You know what I'm saying? You go back to it again Monday, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You gotta get your son up, you know what I'm saying? Back to school again, you know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? If you can fix the problem, you know what I mean? Focus on the solution. You know what I'm saying? Don't focus on the worry, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Don't focus on the stress, you know what I'm saying? Focus on the solution, man. I hope you feel better. You know what I'm saying? Hope you feel better, love. You know what I mean? Back to back, my life is what you make it. Definitely. Yeah, you know what I mean? Alright. Respect Drew, you know what I'm saying? Respect Drew. My condolences. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? One only, you know what I mean? Don't let them get you down, man. Don't let nobody get you down, love. You know what I'm saying? You deserve to be happy too as well, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? We all deal with problems, you know, that's how we handle it, you know what I'm saying? That's how we handle it. But, you know, focus on the solution, love. Focus on the solution. Little bro make my day posting my old Hunch Point 6 string. Simpson, Spotford. You know what I'm saying? That's your old block, right? I'll be passing through there, man. That's your old block. Big up the 6 train, you know what I'm saying? Spotford, big up Spotford. You know what I'm saying? Well, I keep my eye on my roast beef. I'm gonna burn it. I thought the roast beef be done by now. Okay, yes. Tracy Towers, big up to Bronx. So I'm in Parkchester, don't know Soundview, don't know. Big up Chaz. You know the area. You know the area. You know what I'm saying? Oh, East Brooklyn to Georgia. Section 5, Co-op City. Bang. Yes, yeah, you know the Bronx, you know what I'm saying? Big up, Chaz. You know what I'm saying? Boy, you know, cause roast beef was the wrong choice today, man. Roast beef taking forever right now, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna cook some stewed pork, but you know. Get some more water. Boom, boom. Thank you, Kenny. Enough respect, enough respect, enough respect. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know, probably last time I cooked roast beef outside, you know what I mean? It take forever, more faster inside. Yo, Antonia, big up yourself. Thank you for the follow, Queen. You know what I mean? Thank you for follow, Real appreciate you, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Enough love. Yeah, man, another day in the Bronx, you know what I'm saying? Feeling the vibes, you know what I'm saying? Hope everybody feeling well on a Sunday, you know what I mean? Shout out to the only one. Enough respect to you, Queen. You know what I mean? Hope your rest of the day be better, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, we here again. Still spicy right now in the Bronx, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, we doing all right. So I got the fried chicken done. I got the rice and peas done. Little bro, next time use a pressure cooker, right? 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 Oh, man, I tell you, man. Yo, man, I tell you, man. Oh, man. I thought I'd be done already, you know what I'm saying? That roast beef, boy, that steak have given me problems right now, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean? Alright. Roast beef giving me problems right now, you know what I mean? We said next time use a pressure cooker. Walk away and drink some red stripe. Come back. Right? Right? Roast beef trying to have me out here all day, man. Trying to have me out all day, man. You know what I'm saying? Now I gotta push it to 5 o'clock. Look like it seems, right? I said you 5 o'clock, man. I thought I'd be done like 4:30. Never again cooking roast beef outside, man. Never again. I should have cooked the pork, you know what I mean? I was gonna stew some pork shoulder today, you know? But I didn't want the pork, you know? Alright. If I did inside, it would been done already, you know? Yeah, man. So hopefully, you know, maybe 1 more hour to go. And then that's it. You know what I'm saying? Big up to everybody today, man. Hope everybody feeling well today, man. You know what I'm saying? Back again 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. You know what I mean? Tomorrow morning, 5:20. You know what I'm saying? Early morning vibes, you know? You see your boy again, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I'm gonna get the roast beef another 45 minutes and then, you know, and call it quits. But enough love to everybody today, man. I really thank everybody coming through, you know what I'm saying? I really appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it's really hot, man. I know if I cook this inside, man, the house would be really hot. Really hot. Man, you make my day fun, man. Right? You know what I'm saying? Vice versa, Drew, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Alright, man. Thank you, Drew. You know what I mean? Alright, y'all bring a lot of joy to me too as well, man. You know what I mean? Word. Spicy out here though, man. It's spicy. Nice cookout, right? Antonia, nice cookout, right? You know what I'm saying? I got the boots and the straw hat. Nine that much, right? He said the boots and the straw hat. You know what I'm saying? Backyard style. Right? The boots and the straw hat. You know what I'm saying? Right. You know, check out the big tree back there. You know, let me show the big tree. They took out my big tree. You know, you can see the tree. They cut down the big tree. It was a big tree. They cut it down. You know, so this tree right here is protecting us. All right, protecting me from the sun right now. You know what I mean? That's what protecting me from the sun right now. Man, I got a Western boots and a straw hat. That music is a 70. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be versatile with it. You know what I'm saying? Oh my goodness. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Gotta be versatile with the music, you know what I mean? But I can't get in all the channels right now. There's no channel I could bump, you know what I mean? So last week I had no music. Last week I had no music, but I got a little music right now, you know what I mean? So I just gotta work with it. Maybe next week I have some, you know? Maybe something in the 90s, right? Well, it's a Western boots, you know what I mean? Gotta get the stepping. Man, all jokes aside, your parents or elder did good with you. Big up, you know what I mean? Big up my parents. Thank you, big guy. Thank you, Drew. I appreciate that, man. Appreciate that, man. Thank you. I got a couple beatings too, you know. I play a big part in it too. Yeah, man. Shout out to Mom Dukes, you know what I mean? Shout out to Pops, you know what I'm saying? Respect to them, you know what I mean? Pops passed away like 2 years ago. About 2 years ago, yeah? Yeah, 2 years ago, yeah. You know what I'm saying? So Mom Dukes holding it down, huh? Shout out to Mom Dukes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we out here, man. We're jamming some old Western, you know what I mean? You know, can't say I bring the jukebox, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Small little piece of roast beef, man. And give him this hard time, man. Small little piece. And I might as well cook a big piece, huh? By the time the roast beef is done, I ain't got no more gas. So maybe next weekend I maybe take a road trip. I'll see. Small things matters. Yes, sir. The small things matters, man. Small things matters. Yeah, so we gotta appreciate the simple things in life, you know what I mean? Sometimes we focus on the major things, you know what I mean? But the small things do matter, you know what I mean? That's the one that brings the most joy, you know what I mean? Yeah, now you're welcome, you're welcome. Well, you know, I guess where it's going. Really tired. So, you know, roast beef taking its time. You know what I'm saying? So maybe today might be what do you call it? Fried chicken and rice and peas today, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But it says near, man. It's almost near. It's almost near. But I'm tired right now. You know what I mean? I've been out since about 2 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? 1:30. You know what I mean? Plus the preparation. You know what I mean? So I don't know, man. That's why I sit down right now. But the roast is almost there. It's almost there. You know what I'm saying? You know what? Backyard. Let me see. Excellent. Boom. Stop, love.
Oh,
Bang, bang, bang. How you doing today?
hi, how are you?
I'm alright, love. You know what I'm saying?
Where are you
I'm
at?
out here in the Bronx. Out here in the Bronx cooking up, you know what I'm saying? In the heat.
The Bronx.
Yes,
We got
Bronx,
a
New
New
York.
Yorker over here.
Yes, you know what I'm
I'm from Florida.
saying? From where?
She's from Florida.
Florida?
Yep.
I'm from Mississippi.
Mississippi. Big up Florida. Bang. You know what I'm saying? I used to live in Florida. You know what I'm saying?
What part?
Mississippi, you don't know, haven't been there yet. Hopefully soon. You know what I mean? I used to live in North Dade, Miami Gardens. You know what I'm saying? In
Everybody
Florida.
Miami.
Miami. That's the second place I lay my head. You know what I mean? Miami. You know what I mean? That's where the livest thing is at. You know what I mean? I've been to Tampa one time. Been to
Okay.
Tampa. Yeah. You know, I drove to Orlando, but that's it. You know what I mean? But Mississippi, I never been to Mississippi. Hopefully one day I'll be able to go to Mississippi. You know what I mean?
Come on, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
We love it. We
Huh?
love to have fun, baby. We love to have fun. Now we deep in the south. We deep in the south when you
Yeah,
cook.
deep, yeah, deep.
Yes. We don't cook stuff like that. We gotta cook the pig feet, the collard greens, the homemade cornbread.
All that.
She's making me hungry. I'm gonna
Yeah.
have her come down here to cook for me.
I'm gonna cook, right?
Yeah.
All the way to Mississippi, right?
We gonna have fun.
Right. I will.
We got the real hole in the wall cooks. Come on and go with us. Oh, we gotta have fun.
You froze. Drew said, "Lady, the lady that sip, bring your camera up so we can see your face." That's from Drew. Drew wants to see Mississippi.
Yeah, we can't see you.
Drew can't see Mississippi.
Now I'm close. I
No,
can't see
you're like cut off. You're cut off from here.
All right, it's all right.
No,
It's all
now
right.
we can see
Yeah,
you.
now we
I
see you.
think your
Bang, bang,
camera
bang,
fell.
bang. Look at the queen. We see the queen now. You know what I'm saying?
Can't see that good now. So
Huh?
Yeah.
they want my ass. I ain't shot like boss now. I'm not boss 45 now, okay? Y'all know boss 45, the one bossy,
No.
Bouncing.
bossy 45 that be on here doing all this clowning. Y'all
Oh,
want bossy?
Bossy 45?
Yeah.
No, no.
I don't know who that is.
No Bossy 45. No. What you say, Drew? Yes, that's better. I'm drinking and eating catfish,
Oh, you.
crayfish right now as we speak. All right, big up Drew, eating his crayfish. You know what I'm saying? Bang. I'm trying to get this roast beef cooking. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh,
Take
he's got
forever.
roast beef going.
Yeah.
That's right on the grill too.
Yeah, you know, it's too hot. It's too hot inside.
Yeah.
Too hot. You know what I'm saying? It's too hot for me to cook this inside.
What's
So
the
I usually cook. I
Since
usually
you
cook on
from
the stove
the,
inside.
since you
You
from
know,
the
so
Boston, you say, come here, son.
it's a come here.
Now y'all talking New York, don't it? I'm scared of New York, but I'll come and visit.
You scared of New York?
New York.
Nah, you should be scared of New York. You know what I'm saying? New York is love. It's love.
Ah,
Hello. How you doing? How
yay.
you doing?
That's it.
Big up. What's your name, Sam? Sammy?
Are you
How
at a
you
game?
doing?
Where you at, Sammy?
My husband plays adult softball, so I am at a softball game.
Bang, bang,
Oh,
bang,
okay.
bang, bang, bang.
Where you from? Where you from? I'm from Mississippi.
Georgia. I'm from Georgia. Where are you from?
Georgia. Oh,
We
yeah.
got Florida. We
Okay,
got
she got ATL.
Georgia. We got Mississippi.
ATL, Georgia.
Yeah.
Oh, my brother
We got
staying
the
up.
Bronx. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, my brother staying up.
Of everything going on.
Oh yeah.
It seems like it's all on the East Coast.
We got our little tent out here.
That's
Hold
on
on,
East
closer
Coast,
to
right?
the-
Down
Yeah.
there?
Yeah.
That's what the survive.
What y'all doing?
I'm out here showing.
We just chilling, like we just chilling. Listen to the movies, baby. Ain't nothing else to do.
Same here.
Nothing else to do.
I was like, I'm bored. Let me go live for fun.
We all go over there. Y'all see, I got.
They said you just walk fast. You be fine.
I be on
Drew
here.
said big up y'all.
Huh?
They playing softball, Drew. Drew said big y'all up. You know what I mean? Drew in the
Oh,
chat. Yeah. You know
I
what
don't
I'm
know
saying?
if I can.
Well, yeah, man. I'm out here, man, trying to get this.
head on. So won't you send us some of that food you cooking? Send us some.
That's so Uber Eats, huh?
Yeah,
Set up, right? Yeah.
It's
I guess
hilarious.
next time, you know what I'm saying?
okay. Okay.
Yeah, man. So I usually cook on Sundays, outside. You know what I mean? This is the first Sunday I'm cooking. You know what I mean? I think last week I did like stewed chicken and fried chicken. I'm trying to improve my fried chicken. You know what I mean? I really cook fried chicken much. You know what I'm
That
saying?
sounds good.
I did a curry chicken and curry shrimp the other time. So today, you know what I'm saying? I did the roast beef and fried chicken again. You know what I mean? So,
Yeah.
for the roast beef, boy, I tell you, I'm ready to quit.
Okay.
I'm ready to go sit down and chill, you know? But
Yeah, I did a.
You
You guys, I'm gonna get going here.
you say, my son.
thank you, fellas.
I'm gonna get going. I gotta go.
All right. Take care.
All right,
You
you
know what I
guys.
mean? All right. Enough love, Queen. Big up Florida once again.
We'll see you next time.
Next time, you know what I mean?
All right, bye.
Bye. Yeah, man. If she's here in Georgia watching, beat my softball. Good Lord, I pray for her. All right, boom. Drew say pray for your watching the softball game. Big up, Drew. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. We out here. We out in the Bronx.
Amanda, I haven't finished it yet.
You know, so like I said, softball. You say your husband is playing, I just watching.
Yeah, my husband and my brother-in-law play with their.
Are they playing? You don't play softball?
For me, no, my daughter
Yeah.
do.
No? Oh, okay.
I
That's what's
told
up.
her.
That's what's up.
Play.
That's what's up. Yeah. We don't play softball in New York. You know what I'm saying?
In New York.
Nah, we don't play softball in New York.
What do y'all play up there?
We usually play basketball. Mainly basketball, some football, you know. That's just about it. You know what I'm saying?
Child, I gotta feed my family. That's my
All right,
daughter.
take care, Mississippi.
Right.
You know what I mean? Enough love to you, Queen. May God
right.
bless you, all right?
All right.
Blessing.
Have a good one.
All right, thank you. Yeah, you know. So we are in the Bronx, you know, doing our thing. You know what I mean? So you
Okay.
know, yeah, yeah. It's kind of spicy
What?
out here, you know. So we would choose to cook outside, you know.
Yeah. Go get the
Yeah.
plate.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Now, so we're just chilling right now. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
They said
Same here.
Georgia. I've never been to Georgia. I think I drove through Georgia. You know what I'm saying? I never stopped. You know
Okay.
what I mean? Hopefully one day I'll
I
be
was
able to
actually
stop over
born in
there
New York, in
and see how
Manhattan.
it is. You know? I know it's hot out there though. Spicy in Georgia.
I'm sweating.
Spicy,
I'm
right?
sweating. Very spicy. Like real hot.
Right? At least y'all got trees out there, you know. We.
But there's one big one. I put my tent by this one.
Oh, okay. You straight. You straight. You know what I mean? Over here, it's just concrete. This is concrete over here.
Yeah. It's
So
real
you,
hot.
yeah. So your husband team winning?
They haven't started their game yet. This is their first game.
Oh, it's the
So they
first
getting
game.
ready to
Oh,
start.
okay.
They're warming up.
Oh, okay. Okay. So y'all play every Sunday? No. Okay, that's
Sunday.
what's up.
They do 2 games.
Oh, two
Yeah.
games. That's what's
Mhm.
up.
So yeah. All right, let me go on and finish watching him.
All
It
right.
was nice
Do
meeting
your
you.
do your thing. Do your thing. Nice to talk to you. All right. Bless up.
All right, I'll be on your page. I'll make
All
sure to
right.
stay
Thank
free.
you. All
All
right.
right.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
All right.
Remember.
Wait, said Joe. Warm up more like. Say warm up more like meltdown. Big up Joe, man. You know what I mean? Big up Mississippi. Big up Georgia. Big up Florida. Enough love, enough love. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Joe ain't gonna hold you, man. I think I'm probably gonna finish this this beef, this roast beef another time. Yeah, man. Yeah, enough love to everybody today, man. So, you know, it was a great day today. Great day, great day, great day. You know what I mean? Sun is warming, cooling down a little bit. You know what I mean? I really enjoy, you know, being out here with y'all today on the live. You know what I'm saying? Well, remember, I'm here again, 5 o'clock, 5:20 in the morning, every morning. You know what I mean? Doing my thing. You know what I mean? With the early morning vibes. You know what I mean? Boom. So, you know, I want to thank everybody for coming through today, man. I really appreciate it. You know, I was trying to make it to 5, but I can't make it to 5. You know what I'm saying? With that roast beef, I'm going to have to finish that in the oven. Finish that in the oven. You know what I'm saying? The roast beef ain't play no games, man. You know what I mean? Ain't play no games, man. I thought it'd be done already, you know what I mean? But you know what it is, you know what I'm saying? Yo, bro, don't come, yo, take those seats inside the house for me. Yo, bro, yo, this is man. Nah, son. Nah, son. You know what I'm saying?
It's better though, son.
Yeah, I know. You can wait for the roast beef, buddy. You know what I'm saying?
It looks better, son. Okay.
Too bad. Turn the fire down today.
No, listen, man. Try and get better, man. Just like over there, though. Over the one that's over Christine last Sunday, right? Yeah, all right. So yeah, mess up my life, yo. Yes, you know. Yeah, Bridget. Yeah, I don't even think so. You You know what? Yeah, man. So thank everybody. You know what I'm saying? If she's here, Georgia watching her peeps play softball. Good Lord, I pray for her. Jay, big up. You know what I'm saying? Listen, everybody. I want to thank y'all for coming through. I really appreciate y'all. You know what I mean? Next week, Monday, I'll be back at 5:20. You know what I'm saying? Early morning vibes. Until next time. You know what I mean? Everybody have a great weekend. You know what I mean? I really appreciate you. You know what I mean? 2 train, bun up. 4 train, bun up. 5 train, bun up. 6 train, bun up. D train, we don't take D train people. We rather take the bus. You know what I mean? Enough love and respect, man. I speak to y'all again. Y'all see me Monday morning at 5:20. Early morning vibes. You know what I mean? Enough love and respect. Yo, Drew, big up yourself, my G. Enough respect. You know what I mean? Thank you, my guy. Boom, boom, boom.